In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AdsPower browser with location. To get started, open AdsPower and head into your profile setup. You can either click to create a new profile or edit one you already have. This is where you'll control how the browser presents location data to websites, which is important if you want your browsing environment to match the region you're targeting. Once you're inside the profile settings, scroll down until you reach the Advanced section, sometimes labeled as Browser Fingerprint Settings. In that area, look for the geolocation option. This setting controls whether a website can access your coordinates. When you find it, change the selection to Prompt or Allow. Prompt is useful if you want to decide case by case, while Allow gives websites direct access to the location information set in the profile. To make this even more accurate, turn on the option to fill in geolocation based on IP. This helps AdsPower automatically match your latitude and longitude to the proxy location you'll be using, which can make your setup more consistent. After that, move to the proxy configuration section. Here, choose the proxy protocol you plan to use, such as HTTP or SOCKS 5. Then enter the proxy details for the location you want to appear in. Make sure those settings are entered carefully, because even a small typo can prevent the connection from working properly. Next, run the proxy check. This is an important step because it confirms that the proxy is active and reachable from AdsPower. Once the check finishes, review the detected location details. You want the reported country, region, and city to match the target location as closely as possible. If everything lines up, your profile is now much better prepared to present a location that matches the proxy. That creates a more coherent browser fingerprint and helps avoid mismatched regional signals when websites read your setup.